Hello and welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm going to take you outside there and show you a 2023 BMW M3 Competition. Beautiful car, beautiful interior. So we're going to go through the entire process that we do. We start with the oxidation block, and then we're going to have our shampoo, and we're going to go with our wheel cleaner Deluxe, and we're going to go with the Swirl Remover Pro X, and then we're gonna go with the T2 on the tires, and then at the end we're gonna put the boosted 2.0 ceramic coating, which we can put on the interior trim pieces, on the carbon fiber, and everything else right here. Oh, right there, see? So I just wanted to point out one more time that with 5-6 products we can take these cars to the incredible level. You don't need all these other products that they're trying to sell you. We're trying to make detailing simple. So we're gonna flip this thing around, go outside there, show you what we have. We had to purchase a heater, although we're in Florida, super cold right now, so we need to warm up the garage and then take you through the process, and let's see what we have out there. So outside we go. Okay, so each detailing job has their challenges. Look at what I had to do. Electric radiator heater. So it says that it should takes 20 to 30 minutes to feel warmer. So it's about 32 degrees here today in South Florida. So quite challenging to work inside the garage like this with my chicken skin. So I had to make a run and get one of these things. So this one reminds me that one time that the water line outside broke and I had to wash the car with a bucket. So now we go to the other extreme. So I should plug this baby up and down we go. So let's do this. Okay, and 2023 BMW Competition, beautiful color. I checked it earlier and it has like gold flakes. This is gonna be wicked. Nice headlights. So we're gonna do the we're gonna wash her, we're gonna do the clay block, Swirl remover, and then the boosted 2.0. Wicked interior. Look at this beautiful thing. 200 miles. And then here, I don't know how they managed to do this, but they already scuffed the pillars, so we will take care of that. The one on the other side is worse. Carbon fiber roof, which we have done quite a bit of BMWs with this type of roof, and the Swirl remover will pop that up. Beautiful. Smells brand new. It is brand new. Gonna spray the wheels and go at it. So gonna do the engine bay. We're gonna do the boosted wherever we can. All of this, clean that up. I thought that we were gonna find some carbon fiber underneath here, so I'm surprised, but nevertheless, that's the power plant, the competition logo, I guess. All right, so we go. Okay, so we're gonna start with the wheels. Wheel cleaner Deluxe, and I just noticed that the logo on the caps, they're the same as the one on the hood. So, and it's so cold. So what I'm gonna do with this one is usually I use the power tool and with the stick, but because this is brand new, I want to be extra careful, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. I have a soft brush and I will feel a lot better. Take my time and do it slowly, one by one. Let this thing sit in here for about 60 seconds, you know, go with the brush, and then we do all of them, and that's it. So if you're using iron remover, you should try our products, especially the wheel cleaner Deluxe. It's a lot better than the iron removers, I can tell you that. Okay, so we go. So I got a soapy solution here with our shampoo, and this is the soft brush I was talking about. And we simply look at how easy it is to get those bottles down there and get inside here. Look at how simple, very easy. I know I'm not gonna damage anything this way. Look at that, especially there. If I need it, I can get a small brush, but for the most part I believe I can do this way. And also for the tailpipes, you can use the wheel cleaner Deluxe right here. Won't do any harm. We make detailing simple for you. And that's after the clay block. So we have absolutely zero protection on the surface. So that's good. In the old days, people will tell you to wash the vehicle with Dawn and whatnot, but techniques and processes and products that have changed a lot. So this is what we want. Okay, so just gonna randomly check, make sure that the surface is okay for me to polish. I don't encounter any real thin measurements. A lot of paint there. Okay, so she seems to be healthy. I checked the whole thing. She's inside here. So where do we start? I'm gonna start as usually. I start with the roof, the carbon fiber roof. Let's see how it looks like. A few markings here and there, nothing crazy. All right, so the roof to go. Let's see if we can extract some shine from that. Okay, so we're gonna start with the foam pad and the King, the Soil Remover Pro X, and we're gonna start out there on the carbon fiber roof and see what we can do with that. Just a few dots there, starting speed on 1, then make our way to 4 and just glide back and forth. New job, new microfiber. It's a cheap insurance. Customers paying good money, so these are throwaway. We use it on the engine afterwards or wheels or whatnot, but we want to start fresh. So that side is done with the Swirl remover. Just gotta wipe it off and inspect it. Oh, and then we have these guys here. Let's see what we can do with that. Getting ready to polish the glass. Get that whole section right here, all the way. Okay, so this is all good. Just gotta put the booster now. Okay, and the hood, we got it looking stellar. Look at that. Just the one step with the Swirl remover. So we continue. We got to do this side here, do the wheels, and then we can start with the coating. Moving along. There you go, and we go one by one. Gotta do all of them, and then with the Swirl remover connected to a big machine with the extension. It's a nice tool, it's just time consuming. So we continue. The side we got going already, looking beautiful. All kinds of pads and all kinds of things, and so moving along. Okay, so we got the wheels ready to spray. We got a complete video about the spraying with the airbrush and whatnot. And then one trick that we do is with the prep oil, we clean the sidewall of the tire prior to applying the T2. and also I covered the disc. So let me prepare everything and start spraying away. Okay, engine bay, we're gonna use the ceramic spray under the hood, and then we're gonna prep oil all the surfaces and then apply the boosted, so the engine bay should look mint. Let's get that ready. Okay, I'm fully done. Look how beautiful it looks. All of these painted surfaces with this spray wax, ceramic spray wax, and everything that I could get my hands into with the boosted. That's one of the great things about this ceramic coating. It's one product. You can use it on the exterior, interior. We have done extensive testing on the plastics, and it does a phenomenal job, especially here that it's not going to see water, so it will stay for a while like that. All of this boosted, everything and everything. And then the TC1 there. Still cold and raining outside here, but hopefully tomorrow will be much better so I can take it outside. And now we are moving to the inside. Look at this beautiful. So we're gonna prepare and we're gonna polish all this carbon fiber, and we're gonna apply the ceramic coating. We're gonna put coating in here, and then we had the signature one ceramic coating for the leather that we probably gonna come into the market this next year. I'm gonna do that, put the ceramic in here, everything that is carbon. Now I gotta do all the pillars, all of this. So it's a beautiful, look at this thing, my God. Okay, we continue. Okay, so everything coated. Look at this thing. Wow, look at that, beautiful. All that carbon fiber popping now. Look at the backside. All of that coated. Okay, and here she is outside, and that booster is popping right there. You know, I never liked this grill, but after spending so much time, I appreciate them now. Beautiful color. So we did the oxidation block, then we follow up with the Swirl Remover Pro X, tires and wheels with the Wheel Cleaner Deluxe and the T2. Polish the glass, and it looks beautiful. All the surfaces polished, the carbon fiber, it looks beautiful. The interior all done. I showed you that already. Just want to bring her outside here to take a last look. Make sure everything is on point. Spray that front grille there. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so that's a wrap for this one. Make sure you check us on Instagram and turbowax.com. Until next time, thank you for watching.